Hey everybody, I'm here in Santos Caracol Eco Resort. I know I'm not saying 100% correctly. And I'm on my way to see a beehive. There's lizards, there's peacocks, there's pacas and all kinds of animals here. And there is a natural habitat beehive on the other side of this bridge. Like, look behind me. There's Alright guys, here we are. This is a sign that it says that they're native bees and they don't have a stinger. So here we go. Let's go check it out. So they live in the trunk. They are so tiny. I wouldn't have thought that they were bees.